Particle or corpuscular theory of light was put forward arguably by Descartes in 1637. This corpuscular theory of light was largely developed by Newton in 1672 and was predominant for more than 100 years. It took precedence over Huygens' wave theory of light. Newton's theory failed to explain the diffraction, interference, and polarization of light, therefore, it was abandoned. It re-emerged in the 20th century as Einstein described Newton's conception of physical reality. Albert Einstein based his ideas on the work of a German physicist, Max Planck. Part of the work Max Planck looked at in 1901 was about black body radiations. He suggested that electromagnetic energy comes only in lumps called quanta, which is plural of quantum. That is, energy is emitted in discrete forms. He said E is equal to h nu, where h is Planck's constant and its value is 6.63 into 10 raised to the power minus 34 joules into seconds.